Welcome back to Financial Knowledge, your go-to channel for all things finance and career development. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of freelancing. Whether you're looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, earn extra income, or pursue your passion, freelancing offers endless opportunities. But where do you start? Stick around as we break down the essentials of getting started with freelancing. Section 1. What is freelancing? Freelancing is a form of self-employment where you offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis. Unlike a traditional job, freelancers are not tied to one employer. Instead, they have the freedom to choose the projects they work on, set their own rates, and often work from anywhere in the world. Popular freelance fields include writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, and more. Section 2. Why choose freelancing? Freelancing has many advantages. 1. Flexibility. You set your own schedule. 2. Variety. Work on diverse projects with different clients. 3. Independence. Be your own boss and make your own decisions. 4. Income potential. The more you work, the more you can earn. 5. Remote work. Freedom to work from anywhere. Your home, a cafe, or even a beach. Section 3. How to get started in freelancing. Now let's get into the practical steps to start your freelancing journey. Step 1. Identify your skills. First, take stock of your skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Whether it's writing, coding, designing, or something else, identify the skills you can offer as a freelancer. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Next, create a portfolio showcasing your best work. If you're just starting, consider working on personal projects or offering your services at a discounted rate to build up your portfolio. Your portfolio is your calling card. Make sure it's polished and professional. Step 3. Choose a freelance platform. To find clients, join freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Create a compelling profile, list your services, and start bidding on projects. Step 4. Set your rates. Setting your rates can be tricky, especially when you're just starting. Research what others in your field are charging and set a competitive rate. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your rates. Step 5. Network and market yourself. Networking is key in freelancing. Use social media to showcase your work, join industry groups, and connect with potential clients. Word of mouth and referrals can also be powerful tools, so don't be afraid to ask satisfied clients for testimonials and referrals. Section 4. Common challenges in freelancing. Freelancing isn't without its challenges. You'll need to manage your time effectively, handle multiple clients, and stay on top of your finances. Plus, as a freelancer, you're responsible for paying your own taxes. But with the right approach, these challenges can be overcome. Section 5. Tips for success. Here are some tips to help you succeed in freelancing. Deliver quality work. Always strive to exceed client expectations. Communicate clearly. Keep clients informed about your progress and any potential issues. Manage your time. Use tools like calendars and project management apps to stay organized. Keep learning. Continuously improve your skills to stay competitive. Freelancing can be a rewarding and fulfilling career path, offering freedom and flexibility that traditional jobs often lack. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on freelancing, finance, and career growth. And as always, drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.